Hello, Chi. Good morning. Hello.
Hello,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good. And
Oh,
you?
wow, of course. I'm fine and great. And of course, I'm smiling. Yes, good morning. Yes, okay. How was your school yesterday? Doing great? Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now, lesson, Chi. Good morning. Look at teacher. Teacher is dancing. Okay. Hi, Chi. Welcome to Pancake. Okay. Okay. So look at our lesson for today. Can you read it, please?
How many lessons do you have today?
Okay. So how many lessons do you have today? Are we done with that? Okay, for a while. I'll have to check. Okay. Right here. So I have to, I guess we are done with that. Let's move here. Okay. Okay, so I guess we are done with that last night. So we move to unit 7. That's level 4, unit 7. Can you read the title?
How do you learn English?
Very good. Thank you. So how do you learn English, Chi? How? Yes. How do you learn English? Do you have English subject in your school?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, look at this one. For lesson 1, okay, we have vocabulary words. Can you read the first one? Okay, here. Can you read it first? What's that?
Cartoons.
Very good. This one.
New words.
Very good. This one. What's that? Voca. Okay, can you read it?
Vocabul vocabulary.
Okay, this one.
Practice.
Practice. This one.
Allow.
Aloud. Okay, so these are the different kinds of words that we have or we need to learn today. Okay, first is cartoons. This is a noun. Can you see that? You know what is cartoons? Are you watching cartoons movie?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, what's your favorite cartoons movie? Tell teacher.
My favorite cartoon is Mr. Bean.
Oh, what's that again?
Mr. Bean.
Is that nice?
Yes.
Oh, another one. Okay. So again, how about this one? New words. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. This one, vocabulary. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the vocabulary words. How about when I say practice? Do you understand this? It's verb. It's action. Do you understand this? You understand?
Yes.
Practice. Wow, very good, Chi. This one, aloud. Say it aloud. Say it
Yes.
aloud. Okay, you understand? Loud. Do you understand?
Yes.
Wow, very good. Okay, here. So let's move. Okay, your mom told me, okay, your mom messaged me in the Zello and told me that you are really a shy girl. Okay, so you have to speak, talk in front of teacher. Okay, if
Yes.
Anne is talking so fast, like fast, you have to tell me, teacher, it's too fast. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And if you can't or if you don't understand, you will have to say it to me, teacher, again. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay, let's move here.
How often do you
Okay,
have English,
uh,
Mai?
wait for a
I
while.
have it 4 times a week.
I need to check this one. Okay, did you hear it? Okay, you are Tom and I am Mai. Okay, go Tom.
How often do you have English, Mike?
I have it 4 times a week. Okay, again, you will be Tom and I am Mai.
How often do you have English, Mike?
I have it 4 times a week. Okay, do you understand what they are talking about? Do you understand? Do you understand this word? This one. Okay. How often do you have English, Mai? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Chi. And then Mai said, I have it 4 times a week. I have it 4 times a week. Okay. So how often do you have English, Mai? 4 times a week. You know what is 4 times a week? Four
Yes.
times. Yeah, 4 times. It could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Or it could be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. 4 times a week. 4 days in a week. Do you understand? Chi?
Yes.
Very good, Chi. Okay. So teacher Anne is trying to, I know you've been through with level 1, 2, and 3. So teacher Anne is trying to observe this one. And if I think that you are really good and you are really fast in learning this level, which is level 4, let us move to movers. Okay? In movers, you will learn a lot. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. We are teacher Anne is trying to observe you for 1 week. In 1 week time, I will tell the Pantado to move you to movers. Okay? If you're doing great and you're doing okay. Okay, Chief? Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one.
Do you have English today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so it's here. Again, you will have to look, listen, and read. Okay, Tom.
Do you have English today?
Yes, I do. Okay, it's very easy to understand, right? Next one.
Yes.
Okay.
How do you practice reading?
I read English comic books.
Okay, Tom, you will still Tom.
How do you practice reading?
I read English comic books. Okay. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you practice reading? The answer of mine, I read English comic books because they are talking about on how they learn about English. So this is only conversation Chi. Okay? Do you understand, teacher? You understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So if I will ask you, Chi, how do you practice reading?
I read I read English comic book.
Okay. How about, okay, I'm not asking Tom or Mike. This is Teacher Ann and you are Chi. So I will be asking or I will ask you, Chi, how do you practice reading? How?
I read
I read what? Or I watch? Or I write? Okay.
I
Okay, go Chi. You can do it. I
I read
read what? What kind of book?
Vietnamese book.
Oh, you read Vietnamese book. That is an English translation. Okay. Okay, here.
How do you learn vocabulary?
I write new words in my notebook and read them aloud.
Okay, so look at this one. Okay. Tom?
How do you learn vocabulary?
Okay, I write new words in my notebook and read them aloud. Okay, so like what we did, we have words like cartoons, new words, we have to read it. You read it and then after that, you will have to write that in your notebook. Okay, so how do you learn vocabulary? I
I write
write new words in my
new
notebook and read them aloud. Okay, so now Chi, okay, we have here. Before that one, do you have notebook or paper? You have notebook?
yes.
Notebook, okay. Can you copy this one, the vocabulary words? Okay, copy, right? Okay, just tell me if you are done, Chi, so we can move to other topic.
I'm finished.
Okay, very good.
Practice.
Okay, let's move here. So, okay, we have here. Okay, can you see this one? How do you practice? How do you practice? The answer? How do you practice English? This is one. Okay, I will put arrow. Okay, here. Okay, how do you practice? Look at that one. Okay, your answer, I listen to English songs. Okay, how do you practice English? I listen
To
to
lis-
what?
I listen to English songs.
Okay, one way to practice English is to listen to English songs. You will listen to English songs. You will listen to the person who is talking English. Okay, that is one way to practice English. Okay, do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Very good. Wow. The next one here. Okay, here. Look at teacher. Okay, so we have here teacher, you will have to point and say. Okay, so what have you seen at the right here? Okay, you can see what? Here, at the right side, it is,
Is it the
or
fruit?
yeah, these are fruits. We have different kinds of fruits. Okay, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is melon.
Oh, really? You really like watermelon? How about mango? Do you like mango?
Yes, I do.
Oh, really? But your most favorite is watermelon. There are lots of watermelon in Vietnam.
Yes,
Many? Okay. Your dad told me that you know how to bake a cake. Wow, that's amazing. Really? You know how to bake a cake? You
yes,
bake a cake? Oh, because he told me that during his birthday, that was last month, you bake a cake for him. Really? Wow, very good. What's the flavor of your cake? What's the flavor? Chocolate?
is uh, candy.
Oh, and then strawberry? You love strawberry?
Yes,
Uh, your cake is strawberry or plain?
yes.
Okay, what's the flavor of your cake?
Okay. Is strawberry.
Strawberry. What else?
Uh,
Strawberry and
apple.
oh, apple. It's a fruit cake. You made a fruit cake. Is that so? You made a fruit cake?
Yes,
Wow, very good. That's very yummy, I guess. Okay, look at this one. Okay, here. How do you practice reading? Okay, what will be your answer is here. Okay, again, how do you practice reading? That's verb plus ing. Look at this one. Teacher will write it here. Read. Okay, look at teacher. I'm sorry. Ing. That's reading. Okay. How do you practice reading? Read is the verb plus ing. Can you see that one, Chi? Can you see this one?
yes,
Read, the verb plus ing is reading. Do you understand?
yes.
Okay, so let us see number one. what is the boy doing? How do you practice reading? Okay, what will be your answer? I
Reading English, reading short stories.
Very good. I read English short stories. Okay, this one. Okay, this will be your answer. I will type it here. I just need to change the color because it's color red and I hardly understand this one. Okay. I read English short story. Okay, can you see that one? Okay, please read it again. I read
Read English
English.
short stories.
Okay, so this is only my question. How do you practice reading? She, again,
I
I.
read English short story.
Okay, very good. Here. Okay. How do you practice writing? Because it's right. What's your answer?
I write Eng- I write English emails to my friends.
Very good, Chi. Wow. How do you practice writing? Again, teacher Ann will write it. What's your answer? I
I write English emails
email to.
to my friends.
Wow, she very good. I write English email to my friends. Wow, great job, Chi. Okay, here, next one. Okay, third question. How do you practice speaking? Okay, what's your answer?
I speak English every day.
Okay, I.
I speak English every day.
Okay, she for a while. She for a while. Okay, can you speak to teacher now? You say hello, please. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, that's great. Okay, here. So, teacher Anne will not need a headset. Okay, so here. So look at this one. So again, how do you practice speaking?
I speak English every day.
Very good, Chi. How do you practice speaking? I speak English every day. Wow. Okay, teacher Anne will write here. Okay. I speak English every day. Yay, very good, Chi. Okay, next one. Fourth questions. Chi, how do you practice listening?
I
How
listen
do you
to
practice listening?
I listen to English and
I
I listen to English and
watch. I
watch I watch English cartoon on TV.
very good. How do you practice listening? I watch
Read
English cartoons Every day. Okay, every day or TV? Cartoons on TV. Okay, very good, Chi. Okay, so let us have a short review. Okay, do you understand this, Chi? Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, first, I will have a review and you will answer me directly. Okay? Okay, teacher? Teacher? Okay, number one. Chi, how do you practice reading?
I read English short story.
Very good. Chi, how do you practice writing?
I spread English email to my friends.
Very good. Chi, how do you speak English? Or how do you practice speaking?
I speak English every day.
Okay, great job. And last one. Chi, how do you practice listening?
I watch English cartoon on TV.
Great job, Chi. Okay, because of that, Teacher Anne will give you 5 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Great job. Wow. Okay, you're speaking a lot now. Very good. Okay, here. Next one, Chi.
How do you practice speaking English?
Okay, let us
I speak English every day.
next one here. Okay. So can you see? Did you hear that one? Did you hear that one? Did you hear it?
Yes.
Right. Here. Okay. Let us talk. Okay. Teacher Anne will ask you. Okay.
Yes.
How often do you have English?
I have English 3 times a week.
Very good. I have English 2 times a week. Do you have English today?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. How do you practice reading English? All right. Yeah. Okay, again. Or this question. How do you practice speaking?
I speak English.
I speak English to
I speak English.
I speak English to whom? To me, to your parents, to your friends, to your teacher.
To the teacher.
Very good. How do you practice speaking? I speak to my English teacher. Okay, again, how do you practice speaking, Chi?
I speak English to my English teacher.
Very good. Yeah. Do you understand this, Chi? You understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great job. Okay, here. So, listen carefully and check. Okay. You know how to use the annotate like writing and the computer? You know how to do it? Or no? Do you know how to do it? Really?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So now, please listen and check. Okay? Okay? Listen and check.
1,
How do you practice listening, Nam?
I watch English cartoons on TV.
2,
How do you learn English, Mai? I sing English songs.
Okay, very good, Chi. Okay, again, I will play it again.
1.
1.
How do you practice listening, Nam?
I watch English cartoons on TV.
2.
How do you learn English, Mai? I sing English songs.
Okay, did you hear it, Chi? Did you hear it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So look at number 1. Okay, how do you practice listening? Nom, I
Nam
go.
list Nam watch the English cartoons on TV.
Very good. And how about this one, your answer? What's this? Okay, let us check number 1.
1.
Okay, very good.
How do you practice listening, Nam?
I watch English cartoons on TV.
Very good.
2.
How do you learn English, Mai? I sing English songs.
Okay, let us see your answer. Correct. Okay, so how do my practice English?
My si- sings English song.
My sing English songs. Yay! Very good, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, let's move here. Next, number 3. You lesson number 3.
3.
How do you practice reading, Chung?
I read English comic books.
4.
How do you learn vocabulary, Kwon?
Okay, first, how do John practice reading? Again, how do John practice reading? What's your answer?
Chung read English comic book.
Okay, you check your answer, please. Oh, very good, John. Look, this is the answer. That's letter A. How do you practice, or how did John practice reading? Okay, that's letter A. Okay, number 4.
I write new words in my
Learn vocabulary, Kwon.
I write new words in my notebook and read them aloud.
Okay, what's the answer, Chief? How do Ben learn vocabulary words? Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, tell me, how do Ben learn vocabulary words? Ben,
He write
he writes.
he write
He writes. I'll go, Chi. You can do it.
he write he write new words
In
in the notebook and read them and read them aloud.
very good. Ben writes it the notebook and read them aloud. Very good. Let's see your answer. If it is correct. Here, then.
3.
Very good.
How do you practice reading, Chung?
Very good. Yay! You got 4 correct answers. Next one here. Okay. So all you have to do here, you will have to read and complete. Okay? You will have to read and complete. Okay. Can you see this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have word here, and all you have to do is to choose what is the correct answer. Okay. So
Yes.
again, we have 5 words, and you will have to pick what is the correct answer. Am I clear? Do you understand, Chi?
Yes.
Okay, so since you know how to write in the computer, please write the answer in the gap. Okay,
Yes.
go Chi, you can do it. Okay, I will change the color. I want it red. Okay. Okay, Chi, go Chi. Try to answer. The choices are here. Answer it and try to understand. Okay, ready?
Yes. Jung is newcomer in class 5B. Today he's happy because he has 2 English lessons.
Very good. Okay, next. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, number 1 because, number 2.
To practice speaking English and he speaks it every day with his friends. To learn vocabulary, he writes new words and reads them aloud.
Okay, very good.
He also learns English by singing English songs.
Very good.
He hopes B is singing English songs.
What's number 5 again? Please repeat. Yes.
Number 5 is hobby.
Okay, very good. Great job. Number 1, Trong is a newcomer in class 5B. Today, he's happy because he has 2 English subjects, I guess. To practice speaking English, he speaks it every day with his friends. To learn English, he writes new words and read them aloud. He learns it by singing English songs. His hobby is singing English songs. Yay, very good, correct. Okay, here. Okay, now let us sing.
Page 47. Activity 6. Let's sing. How do you learn English?
How do you learn English?
How do you learn English? How do you practice speaking? I speak to my friends every day. How do you practice reading? I read English comic books. How do you practice writing? I write emails to my friends. And how do you practice listening?
to learn English? First, how do you learn English? First, how do you practice speaking? Chi? I
I speak to my friends every day.
I speak to my friends every day. And how do you practice reading?
I read English comic books.
Very good. And how do you practice writing?
I write emails to my friends.
Good job. And last one, how do you practice listening?
I watch English cartoons on TV.
Good job. Okay, so we have 4 ways on how to learn English. How to practice speaking, how to practice reading, how to practice writing, and how to practice listening. Okay? Do you understand this? You understand this?
Yes,
Okay. We
yes.
will listen the song once again.
Page 47. Activity 6. Let's sing. How do you learn English?
How do you learn English? How do you practice speaking? I speak to my friends every day. How do you practice reading? I read English comic books. How do you practice writing? I write emails to my friends. And how do you practice listening? I watch English cartoons on TV.
Okay, Chi? Do you understand it, Chi?